What are the benefits of studying ITIL for sustainability in digital and IT with Good e-learning? Good e-learning is an award-winning online training provider with a diverse portfolio of fully accredited certification courses. This includes a range of options on IT management and governance, including ITIL 4, COVID 2019, DevOps, and more. The courses come with a range of engaging online and blending assets developed with help from highly experienced practitioners. Students can enjoy instructor-led videos, downloadable resources, and even free certification exam vouchers. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. If you are interested in free ITIL resources, click the link below in the description. Follow Good e-learning on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter for regular ITIL resources such as posters, articles, videos, and study guides.